Alright guys, so I've gathered me up some rock from all over the land here. That's the rock there and there. Of course that's not near enough to do the whole well, but I've got it collected, and I got a couple bags of river rock to put at the bottom of the well. And then of course I got some rock from the creek itself, and I'll continue to do that. Collect up more of that rock from the creek, and then some hay day blocks. Right now I'm exactly 20 foot down, and let me just, you probably can't see nothing because it's a very cold day, but anyway, I'm exactly 20 foot down there, and all the way around the edge I've laid the river rock, and then on that river rock I'm going to start putting that rock that's out there on top of the river rock and start spiraling up around, you know, the well, all the way up at the top. So when it's a little bit brighter out on a sunnier day, when I'm out here working on it, I'll go ahead and get you a update. But just so you know, just down there I've got rock around the edge, just literally where the wall of the well is. So like literally right around this edge here, okay, and no rock right in the middle. So I hope you can understand that. Maybe you can't, maybe you can. Hopefully you can, but if not, I'll show you once it's lighter outside. You might be able to see a little something down in there, I don't know. But anyway guys, like I said, all the way around the outer perimeter there's no rock in the middle. Okay, I've drained all the water out, and there's a hole in the middle that's deeper than the rest of the platform where the rock is, so I can drain the water out again if I need to. Okay, so just that's a quick update guys, just so you can see there's the rock, there's some concrete. That's what I'm going to hold the rock together with. I'm going to go up pretty high with the rock, and then I'm going to put some hay day blocks in, and then I may go hay day blocks all the way up from there, or I may go back to rock. But probably about 5 foot I'll be putting hay day blocks in, just so I have a 5 foot marker. Anyway guys, I love you. Find the word, get in the word, stay in the word. I'll talk with you guys soon. Peace be with you all. Well, the sun has decided to come out. It's still quite cold, but it's also a lot lighter in here. So we'll go on down here, and I'll give you a better idea of what was going on here. You can see down in here now, it's already started to fill back up with water, but it'll give you an idea of what exactly I've got going here. Where the water is, there's no rock, okay? Now, once I'm done with that the outer shell here, or the casing as most people would call it, but the rock, all the rock right here, then I'll go ahead and fill the interior up with rock as well, so that there's no dirt. But for now, what I was talking about earlier is where the rock is where I put the gravel or the small rock, all throughout wherever the rock is. Okay, so all the way around, so you can see the rock right here, right in through here. You can see the rock, 'cause I haven't built that section up yet. But anyway, like I said, it's already starting to fill up with water, so it gets a little messy, but you know, part of life, right? Let's go on down in here a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. All I'm doing is just stacking the rock all the way around, and the interior of the well is going to be about 3 foot. So anyways, that's where I'm at with it right now, and we'll go from there. So my hope, literally my hope, is to get from there where the rock is up to about that step right there before it starts raining. Why? Because that area right there keeps on collapsing. That part right there. And if it continues to collapse, it's going to fill that up with dirt, which means I'll have to shovel it all back out yet again. Okay, this thing has collapsed on me 3 times, and all 3 times I've had to re-dig it out. So anyways, there's your update guys. I just wanted to let you guys see it and understand it. I know it was dark earlier, so it was much harder to understand. Again, that's an 8 foot ladder, and where the water is, or the bottom of the ladder, is exactly 20 foot from the top. And right here is the halfway point between there and up there. Okay. So I'll talk with you guys later. Locate the word. Again, it's in the heavens and it's in nature. Okay. And then once you understand what the word is and where it is, get in it, learn it, master it. Okay. Stay in it until you've mastered it, because in it is truth, and in truth you are made free when you know the truth and not before. So there you guys have it. I'm gonna get out of here, and if it rains again, that area right there may collapse down. You can see this first step has gotten quite narrow and getting narrower. So anyways guys, I'm gonna get off here. I love you guys. Get in the word, stay in the word, and get the word in you, because it's already there. You got to get it. It's in you. Get it in you. In other words, get the word that is already in you. In other words, find it, locate it, because once you do, you'll understand everything. Past, present, future, everything. Peace be with you all. Shalom.